Hi guys, it's Gary here once again, and I'd like to look at a pedal unboxing, something I've wanted to get for a while. I was lucky enough to get for Christmas, and that pedal is the Electro-Harmonix Silencer. Okay, and as it says on the side there, your silent partner. This is a noise gate and effects loop in the one pedal, and this is the unboxing rather than the discussing of the features. So I'm just going to quickly unbox this, and in the next video I'm going to talk about what it does and why I wanted one for a little while. So here we go. So firstly, we dig into this. Got a little bit of bubble wrap there, don't want that in the video. Pedal itself. Got the box there. So let's get this out. Oh. Just get the plastic open here, tougher than it looks. And here we go. One Electro-Harmonix silencer pedal, a nice sort of textured metal body, switches aside, input and output there for the input and return on the side, button, nice good solid click, and the release, reduction and a threshold, nice dampened knobs, haha, pardon the pun. And see, nice little feet on the base to keep it nice and sturdy. Good, strong feeling pedal. Don't know if it's got a battery in. Got the mains power at the top there though, so I'm going to open that up and see if there's a battery in there. I'll be testing it out in another video. So there you go. Also included in the same pouch as the pedal itself was the instructions, the Electro-Harmonix, the silencer instructions. I'll have a look at those later video when I'm discussing the actual features. So I'll do it that way. There we go. Also have the usual Tungsol electron tubes sticker that comes with as Electro-Harmonix pedals. Don't get it. Owned a few Electro-Harmonix pedals, they all come with this weird sticker, but it's cool. And this is probably the reason why it comes with that sticker. Electro-Harmonix owns 100% of the largest remaining vacuum tube factory in the world. There you go. Little fact sheet. Tungsol electro valve tubes, whatever you want to call them. Electro-Harmonix owns 100% of the largest remaining tube factory. There you go. And that is it. There is nothing left in the box. Taking everything out. Hope you've enjoyed the unboxing video. It gives you an idea of what's in there. As I said, I'll discuss the features of this pedal as well as a demo in another video, but very happy with it. Can't wait to be using it. Hope you enjoyed. Okay, like, comment, subscribe as usual for more of the same, and I'll be producing another video probably coming in the next couple of days. Thanks a lot guys. Cheers. I'll catch you on the next one.